and leave peacefully?
What the fuck can I do? I ain't from here.
Yo, dog.
Well, now you got a place to go.
I'm trying to get my car.
What's up, y'all?
We got it, cuz.
I'm not here for him, but since I am here, they just want you to go back to your room, buddy.
Stop! Don't walk
Let me
around the
speak.
police.
I don't give a fuck about him. Let me speak to him.
Man, don't walk around the
Hold on.
Can I speak to you?
Yeah.
Can I speak to you?
Yeah, come here.
Can y'all step back so I can speak
Let
to
me
you?
just talk to him. What's going on, man?
I'm trying to calm my bro down.
Okay.
They're coming after me, but I'm trying to calm my bro down. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what happened. Can I speak to the officer?
With a calm voice.
Can I speak to the officer?
With a calm voice.
Can we walk and talk?
Yeah.
With a calm voice.
Come on.
What's up, man?
I'm trying to calm my bro down.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a little intoxicated. We're kicking it. It's the 20th anniversary.
Yeah, I got you.
But I don't know what happened. I don't know what triggered it.
Okay.
But all I seen was a little animosity, a little activity going on. So I'm trying to grab him.
Okay.
Trying to get him to calm down. But in the middle of me calming him down, they're coming after me.
Let me just say what they told me. They're cool with you. They just want you to go back to your room. A lot of times what they do is they have us evict you. I don't want to evict you. I don't want that to happen to you. So just my advice, go to your room, call it a night. Because once they evict you, they don't go back on it. Then you would have to leave, and whoever's in your room would have to leave. I came here for a 911 hang-up on somebody else.
Oh.
And then, because I'm getting out, he's like, hey, can you help me out? We just want this guy to go to his room. We don't want to evict him out of here yet at this point, but we just want to go to his room, okay? So it's cool. I know you're going through things, and I know you're drinking the shit. It's Clearwater
We're
Beach.
just celebrating our 20th anniversary.
Do your thing, but I would just say go to your room, okay?
I mean, I'll do that, but I don't appreciate people coming after me while I'm trying to help somebody else. I'm not trying to start no fight. I mean, don't get me wrong. We've all been drinking.
Act a little aggressive, maybe, drinking and stuff. It
Yeah.
looks perception, you know how it is.
But when I just noticed what was going on. That's it. That's it. I just noticed what was going on. When people got a little rowdy, and I seen my bro, he was kind of, you know what I'm saying, a little.
Where's he at now?
I don't know where he's at now. They pulled me away from him. So I just seen he was a little agitated. Something was going on. Whoever it was, I don't know who it was. My reaction was to grab him.
Sure.
That was it. He's bigger than me.
Right.
Okay? Don't get me wrong. He's twice as bigger than me, but I'm strong as hell.
Right.
So I got him against the pillar.
Yeah.
He's looking at me, but I see it in his eyes like something's wrong. I don't know what's
So you good
wrong.
with going upstairs to your room?
Huh?
You're good with going upstairs?
I'm good with going upstairs.
let's do
I
that.
just
No.
want him to be calm and whatever the issue is, I just don't want it to be out of control. That's it.
We don't want to
But I don't understand why everybody's coming after me. Can you let me finish talking to the officer? Can we walk? Can we walk? I'm calm. Can you talk to them? Can you talk to them?
I got him. He's going to go upstairs to his room. They're cool with that right now.
They want him out.
Oh, now they want him out?
They want him out? They want me out?
Hold up.
I didn't do anything.
I'm telling you right now, I just spoke with the bouncer. So what's happening is, if you guys are staying in the hotel, you gotta be up in your room. They do not want you down here for the time that you're staying here, down here hanging out. That's
We're
it.
not hanging out. It's a concert.
Okay, whatever it is, you don't come to the first floor. That's what they tell me.
Really, we're here on the 20th anniversary wedding.
Okay, I understand.
But we didn't do anything. I was going to that.
Relax, relax.
Bro,
Relax.
I'm coming to an end of a road. I just noticed it.
He told me that, right? He told
He
me
was agitated. I grabbed him to get him away from whatever it was. I don't know what it was. All I wanted to do was calm down. And all of a sudden, everybody came after me.
Alright, so listen, here's what's gonna happen. Alright? I get your situation with your brother, I get it. They don't want you back down. Whatever happened after that, maybe you were rude, I don't know.
I wasn't rude to nobody.
Stop. I hear
You
you all
don't
day.
even want to listen. I don't even want to talk to you. Can I talk to you?
Listen,
He don't even want to listen. I wasn't rude to nobody. I ain't even spoke to
You and
nobody.
I talked, so now it's time to go to the room. Like I said, I don't want them to evict you off the property.
Right.
So right now it's time to take it down and go to your room.
But who
Let's
was I
call it a night.
rude to?
That's not. It doesn't work.
I know, but I hadn't spoke to no. I hadn't spoke to no
Right now it's
staff.
cool because you get to stay here. If it continues on, they're going to tell us they're out of here, and
Right.
then we have to sit here while you leave.
I'm just trying to tell you that I hadn't spoke to no staff. Can you stop interrupting me?
Let's just go to the room. They're telling us to go to the
Listen,
room.
just go to your room.
Look, I hear you gotta explain the situation. The bottom line is, it's over. Go back upstairs to
Let's
your
just
room,
call
hang
it,
out,
go
do
to
your
your
thing.
room. That way you guys can continue your vacation, okay?
Thank you, man. Appreciate
Thank
it.
you. Appreciate you.
I'm sorry.
No, that's all right. Like I told you, I wasn't even here for him. I was here for a 911 hang-up. So.
We get it. I understand he's pissed about his brother and everything. I get it. The bottom line is they said that they don't want him down here on the first floor. That's it. And if he continues on that, then he goes out in a hotel altogether. So we're trying to keep that cool. Go upstairs, hang out, spend the rest of your time here relaxing, but they don't want you down here hanging out that area. That's it. That's it. No more talk, no more arguing. Everybody's cool, and that's it. Before you guys get through.
You gotta understand that I'm cool.
I hear you. I hear you. But your brother's in there, right? Is your brother out there now?
I need him to come out of there.
He's gone to his room. They're
Okay,
gone.
so
he's gone. He went to the room.
They've been gone. They left 15 minutes
They
ago.
didn't leave no 15 minutes ago.
Yes, they did.
They came out had him
Okay,
against
this is the
pillar.
problem. Let's not start this again.
I had
To the
him
room.
against the pillar. He couldn't left 15 minutes ago. And I
Okay.
had him against the pillar.
You're not Then I laughed.
Take your man upstairs, hang out, have a good time up there, and relax, okay?
I mean, I just feel like they're trying to flex on me.
Miss, what room are you in? Alright, so check it out. I just talked to management, okay? They want you guys evicted, unfortunately, because they think his behavior is going to be a recurring issue.
Okay, I paid a lot of money to be here. And I'm here for my, I mean, you can do what y'all want to do with him, but I have 2 daughters.
Well,
I'm not going to blow and interrupt my daughter's vacation.
you'll have to call. See if there's someone else back here.
I don't, at this point, I don't care. I'm not going to, this is me and my daughters. I pay for this. If you guys want to take them, I don't, at this point, I don't care. He's not even listening to me. 19 and 11. Upstairs in a room in a bed, sleep. It's not fair to me and my
things
daughter.
happen. They just said now, just because of the ruckus, okay? So when we got here, it was just have them out of here, okay? They're seeing what's going on. They're seeing that this is maybe something that's going to escalate. Now they want you guys out of the hotel, period. I was trying to avoid that, but now that's what they want.
But then, I mean, y'all can do whatever y'all want to do with him.
I'm talking about everybody.
Well, it's not with
They're
it.
not just
Between
saying
you
him,
guys
it's
and the
everybody.
hotel staff right
But I
now.
haven't done anything. My daughters haven't done anything.
They do have their right to evict anybody out of the property.
I
right?
get that. I understand
And
that.
like I said, I'm trying to cool your man, but he's not listening. Okay, he's not even listening to you. So before it gets to the point where we got to put bracelets on him, they want him out of here, and that's the bottom line. So tell your man whatever, go to the management, have them square away whatever last days you got here and stuff like that, and just be done.
We literally
What's his
just
name?
checked in.
What's his first name?
We literally just checked in hours ago.
Man, what's his
We're-
name?
Damon.
David.
We literally just checked in hours ago. We came a long way. You know what I'm saying? This is the second week of our vacation.
Hey, Damien. Hey, the hotel staff, they want you off the property because they feel like it's going to be a reoccurring issue and it's not going to stop.
How is it going to be a recurring issue? I didn't even
That's
do anything.
their prerogative. It's private property.
So they want all your guys
So-
gone. So we have to go upstairs and everybody has to pack up stuff.
Me and my kids?
Yeah, everybody has to, unfortunately, got to leave.
I didn't even start none of this. I didn't even do anything.
It's because you're hype, you're causing a disturbance down here for them.
I didn't cause
That's
none
why
of
they're-
this.
they're
All I
choosing
did was
it.
grab him and try to calm him down. That's all I did.
One of the issues, sir, okay?
So, David, just to let you know how it usually works is that right now it's not a trespass, it's them evicting you. But if you don't leave, then we have to get involved. I don't want to have to
Man,
get
just take
involved.
me to jail. I ain't got nowhere to go. What the fuck, man?
Get another hotel.
I don't got nowhere to go.
Go to another hotel.
With what fucking money?
Relax.
Relax for what? You want to take me to jail? That's the only place I'm going to be able to sleep. Man, you do whatever the fuck you gotta do.
Are you gonna leave peacefully?
What the fuck can I do? I ain't from here.
Yo, dog.
Well, now you got a place to go.
You gotta step on my foot. Seriously. Let's go. My fiance's ID and card is in the damn wallet. Can she have it, please? Or y'all just gonna flex and be an assholes and just look at me?
You're the one acting like that, not us.
I just told you I ain't got no fucking where to go. I ain't from here.
You're a grown man.
Yeah, I'm a grown fucking man and I can speak and act the way the fuck I want to. Anywhere I go, I can act how I want to.